Hello, a very good day, and today I'm going to share with you on July and what is the stock and crypto setup. Let's go. So let's look at the QQQ. In the previous month, I was talking about QQQ going within the channel. As you can see, the QQQ now is moving in back to the channel. And then the price action of Russia's indices is still in the channel. It's on a bit on the high side. I would like I would like to say that a potential hit on the upper area of the channel will be much more possible in the coming future. Next, let's look into Hang Seng. Hang Seng have been moving outwards. So if you look at Hang Seng, maybe a multi-year, 2 or 3 years of slowly moving up will now be much more possible with the bottom being formed at 1,500 to 15,000 to 16,000. Next on the SOXL, which is 3 times semicon. In a 3 times semicon, whenever it hit the lower portion, it will rebound back to hit the upside, and now is on the middle range, which I think a potential movement to the outside is much more higher possibility. So having said that, let's look into the crypto performance of BTC and Ethereum. So as of today, both crypto have been moving upwards, with Bitcoin hitting the all-time high, and Ethereum is also gaining some of its lost ground. In the previous 1 month ago, I think Ethereum was below 2005. So therefore, the overall portfolio is 71% up. Let's look into the BTC. BTC have been climbing outwards. Recently, have a breakthrough again on the boxes range, and now it's climbing between the 118 and also 110 area. So let's look into last month, 1st of June, where I share about what is my thought of the market. So let's go before we go into a conclusion. So let's look into my portfolio. So the green color is the portfolio performance, and versus the blue line here is the Nasdaq performance. So basically, for the last 1 year, the return is near to 42%. BTC in January, I think in my previous video, I was talking about looking at the pivot point on 29th of January. And you can see that after this pivot, it went down and now it's coming back. Around early April timeframe, all the crypto have been moving in the uptrend. And most of my trading have also been after 1st April. So you can see on my list of crypto, I have BTC and Ethereum. As of today, they are around 27% up from my buying price. I have not been doing any active trading on BTC or Ethereum after 29th of January. What I have done is I have bought some Ethereum by converting my BTC into Ethereum in roughly when Ethereum was below 2000. So that approach was different from most of the sharing by all the guru and master. So next, let's go and hear in what I have mentioned about in January 2025. So next on the BTC and Ethereum, still fluctuating about 103 for BTC, Ethereum 3,200 to 3,300. Nothing much have changed, and I don't plan to do much active trading as well. Do trade with care and also do take care as well. I think going into 28 January and tonight and tomorrow, I think the market will show us the trend. So welcome back, and this is what I'm going to do for the month of August. So as you can see, I'm trading on a very shorter time frame of month to month. Every month itself, I will actually try to project a few of the date that I need to assess the market performance and resilience. So currently, I'm holding more cash. The current market appear to be sentiment euphoria. Technicality is not overbought. Okay. So it's prudent to stay disciplined, and then there are some key dates that I'll be observing. For example, 29 to 31st of July, 5th of August, and the third week of August. Depending on the performance of the market prices for Nasdaq, then I will decide whether to overweight into the long side. And on the long side itself, I'll be planning to buy call option, especially during the period of weakness and assessing the market is able to hold above the support line. So next, basically on the coming months, I will still continue to focus on the high income investment where the dividend is going to give me about 5 to 6%, both in Singapore and Hong Kong market. My next update will be end of August. As you can see, most of my portfolio now is cash. More than 50% is cash. And furthermore, by looking into the overall performance, my performance is now above 60% versus 42% that was 1 month ago. Therefore, there is some reason for me to hold on to more cash because the market has been treating most of the trader pretty well. So do trade with care and take care. Subscribe and like my video. Share with most of the people who is trying to make a living through trading by themselves using their own time. And take care. Talk to you again end of August. Bye bye.